Hello students, welcome to maths class. In the last class we completed the chapter coordinate geometry. Today's class let us learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, introduction to trigonometry. Very important topic for the examination point of view. Okay children, so we will start trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry using two different situations. Okay, so see here the first case. If I see case number 1. Okay, so now I am standing here on the ground. I am watching a flag post. Okay, flag or thing is going on. So I am standing here on the ground. I am seeing that flag post. Okay, so from the ground I am seeing that flag post means what type of triangle will you form? Can imagine. Just imagine what type of triangle you will get. So I'll draw the figure. Okay. So the first case, I am here on the ground. Got it? I am seeing the flag post. It is standing vertically on the ground. Okay. To the ground, here to here distance. And when I am seeing the flag post, I will see the top of the flag post. Right or not children? So that which type of triangle you will form? You will form a right angle triangle. Will you agree children? So flag post to the ground makes an angle of how much degree? 90 degrees. So this case it's a right angle triangle. Even if I give the second case. Okay. Now I'm case number 2. Case number 2. Okay. Now see here. I am sitting on the balcony. Balcony, I am seeing one car is moving on the road. So what you have to do? You have to see down, right? From the balcony, you are here. You are seeing this car. Okay, it is standing on the road. That time you have to see down. Will you agree? Imagine the cases, children. Imagine, okay? So you are seeing it down. So to the ground, it makes an angle of how much degree, children? To the ground, it makes an angle of how much degree? Right angle, 90 degree. Do you agree or not? In the two cases also, we can find the height of the flag post or height of the building. Even the distance between the flag post and the car, the distance between me and the flag post. Right. So in cases, we can find the height and the distances of a particular object without actual measuring. So without actual measuring means which type of idea we can bring. That is nothing but we are using trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry comes there. Is it okay? Means height and distances can be found by a branch of mathematics. That branch of mathematics is called as trigonometry. So without actual measuring, we can find the height and distance of a particular object. Okay, so that is the use of trigonometry. So what is trigonometry then? So as I said, its height and distance we can find. So it's a branch of mathematics. Then what do you mean by it? What is trigonometry then? Okay, trigonometry can derive from Greek word. Okay, it's derived from Greek word. Derived from Greek word. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Trigonometry meaning is tri means how many means? 3. Then gone means gone. Gone means size. Okay, then metron. Metron means what children? Metri or metron means what? It is called as measurement. Okay, measure. So, trigonometry is derived from the Greek word. Okay, so what is the meaning of trigonometry? If you have split it, I can write it as tri means 3, gone means size, and metron means measurement. Okay, so that is this is trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. So this is applicable only to the right angle triangle. Okay. So with respect to acute angle, So did you understand, children, what I said? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay, very, very important branch of mathematics. It is derived from Greek word. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Tri means three, gol means sides, metron means measurement. That means it is the study of relationship between the sides and angle. Sides and angle. Okay, that's the study of that. So then what is the use of trigonometry? Where we are using trigonometry? The measurement of distant objects we can find using this idea. Okay, so the distance between the planets and stars from the earth, we can use this idea. Okay, children. So now, after knowing this all, so let us write short note of this. Okay, in your notes book, you have to write these things. Let us write it, children. So write down. See, the word trigonometry is derived from Greek words. Tri meaning how much, children? Yes, 3. Okay. God meaning sides and metron meaning measure. Okay, so now what is trigonometry then? It is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of the right angle triangle. So can we write that here? So please write down, children. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angle of it, the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Okay, so what is the use of trigonometry then? So to find the distance without actual measurement, you can find the distance between the stars and planets from the earth. Okay, so write down. If anybody asks uses, okay, what is the use of that? To find the distance of stars and planets from the earth. Okay, so now your work is to find some more uses trigonometry. Okay children, so you have to find that and you have to write in your book. Okay children, so now after knowing this all, the derivation of that, so how, from where it came into existence, everything you learn. Now what next you have to learn in this, the very very important thing you have to learn is trigonometric ratios. Okay, so first idea in this comes is trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometric ratio? Which ratios and all we have to learn? Let us see it now children. Okay. So right angle triangle only it is applicable, I just now said. Yes, so children. So then we will take one right angle triangle. We take one right angle triangle now. Okay children. A, B, C is a right angle triangle. Okay, so now here, every right angle triangle is having other two angles acute, right? Will you agree? This is 90 degree, means other two angles are acute angle. Okay, children. Now, so triangle ABC is a right angle. Is a right angle where angle B is 90 degree. Yes. Now, 90 degree from these two angles are there. No. So, this still, angle C is an acute angle. Angle ACB is an acute angle with respect to right angle. Yes. So, this is acute angle. Angle ACB is a acute angle. The time, which one I mark? Okay, so that mark in front which side is there, that is very very important for us. See, all these three sides having one name that you have to understand first to write trigonometric ratio. So, with respect to angle C, okay, so if I mark angle C, this is very very important children. Marking is very important. See now, angle C front which side is there? AB. Yes, that is called as opposite side. Opposite side. Okay, opposite side to angle A. Opposite side to angle C. Okay, so this is opposite side to angle C. Okay, so then if it is opposite side, angle C, this line is there. This is called adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle C. Adjacent side to angle C. Okay. If it is opposite, if it is adjacent, what is this children? That you know. This is called as hypotenuse. Yes, so 90 degree front which side is there? That is called as hypotenuse, which is the longest side in a right angle triangle. Got it? So angle C front with respect to angle C, this line is called as opposite side. So this is called as adjacent side and this is called as hypotenuse. Understood children? If angle C is an acute angle, then AB is opposite side to angle C. Okay, so then BC is adjacent side to angle C. Will you agree? Then AC is called as hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so in this case like this. If I take one more case children, one more case. So another right angle triangle take. Okay, so another right angle triangle today. This is A, B and C. Now 90 degree. So this is also an acute angle, right? Angle A is acute angle. With respect to angle A, if I mark angle A front which side is there, that is called as opposite. With respect to which angle I have taken, except angle B. Okay, so only with respect to angle A and angle C, that are acute angle case. Okay, children. So now angle A front side is called as opposite side. Okay, so opposite side to angle A. So then angle this side is called as adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A. Then what is this? This is same. What is that? Hypotenuse. Okay, children, the cases are different. This is respect to angle C. This is respect to angle A. With respect to that, the sides will change. Okay, children. So now what you take? Angle CAB is an acute angle. This case is acute angle is angle A. So angle A front side is called as BC. BC is opposite side. BC is equal to opposite side to angle A. Yes. Now AB is called adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A. Then AC is hypotenuse. Okay, children. So like this, the cases will be. You have to understand properly which this side is opposite, another is adjacent, and the third one is hypotenuse. Okay. So if you place in different places, different angles if taken means different side will come. So you have to understand and do that. Okay. So now after learning this, we have to know about the trigonometric ratios. Okay. So how to write a trigonometric ratios? See here, which all ratios comes? How to write its answer? Now, sine. Sine can also be written as sin. Sine A, like this. S-I-N, you have to write. Okay. So this is its name. We have to write it short form like this. Sine A. Okay. Next, we have to write this cosine. Cosine. Cosine means cos. Cos A. Okay. Then next one is called tangent. Tangent is called as tan. Tan A. Okay. Next one is called as cosecant. Cosecant can be short form written as cosec. Cosec A. Okay. So then next one is called secant. Secant is sec A. Next, cotangent. Cotangent means cot. Cot A. So you have to understand like this. So these are the trigonometric ratios. Okay, children. Sine can be written as sine. Sin. Sine A. Reading is sine A. Then cosine. Cos A. Tangent. Tan A. Cosecant. Cosecant A. Secant. Secant A. Secant fully can be written as SEC. Cotangent can be written as cot. Okay. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Is it okay? Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So like this, how to write its ratio? Let us see now, children. So I will write that here. Now, first let us draw one right angle triangle A, B, C. Okay. So then angle B is 90 degree. Okay, these two are acute angle. Now let us take any one angle like this. Angle A, I mark. Okay, then how to write the ratios with respect to angle A? Let us write children. First one is called as sine A. Okay, sine A. Sine A means I mark A means sine A. If I mark here, it is sine C. Like this. Is it okay? Which angle they said to mark? So that only you have to mark. Sine A said now. Okay? We'll do this. Sine A. Sine A front which side is say that is called as opposite. Okay, then adjacent. Then hypotenuse. First like this you have to write. Okay, then you will understand what are the different sides here. So first which we mark, that front side is called as opposite. Then this is called as adjacent. This is called as hypotenuse. Okay. So then sine A, how to write children? Sine A means what you know? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is that? Opposite by hypotenuse is called as sine A. Okay children. So who is opposite side to angle A? BC. By hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So then next comes is cosine. Cos A. Okay, short form only, right? Cos A means what children with respect to A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. But why at all this? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is adjacent side with respect to A? Adjacent is AB. AB by AC. Okay. So after that, next comes is tan A. Tan A means what children? Very easy. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Sin by cos is tan. See here. Opposite by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. When I divide both, hypotenuse cancel means who is remaining here? Opposite by adjacent. So here we can form it. Opposite by adjacent is called as tan A. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. Who is opposite? Opposite is BC. By adjacent is AB. So you have tried this one. BC up, AB down. AC same. Can cancel. Understood children? So this is about tan. Next. So everyone understood? Sine, cos, tan. After understanding, next comes is cosec. Cosecant A. How to read? Cosecant A or cosec A. How to write this children? This is just a reciprocal of sine A. Means 1 by sine A. 1 by sine means sine whatever you wrote, it's reciprocal. Means in the sense hypotenuse up, opposite side down. Like this you have to write. Okay? So you have to write reciprocal of this. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine means its sides also you have to write like this. Hypotenuse by opposite. If you know sine, you can write cosecant. Just a reciprocal of that. So what is the answer? BC down, AC up. So hypotenuse is AC by BC. Just the reciprocal of this side. Okay. So then next comes is secant. Secant A, how to write? It's just a reciprocal of cos A. Reciprocal of cos A. 1 by cos A. This cos means what? Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. You have to write hypotenuse by adjacent. That's all. Okay, so it will become AC by AB. So then this reciprocal. Now tan reciprocal whom is I will say that is cot. Cot A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A is cot A. So, what is tan? Opposite by adjacent. You write adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is AB by BC. Like this we have to understand, children. So if you know these three ratios, we can easily write remaining three ratios. Okay. So what is the reciprocal, children? Sin A reciprocal is cosecant. Cosecant reciprocal is sin. Then vice versa. Okay, children. Sin A reciprocal is cosecant. Cosecant reciprocal is sin. Cos reciprocal is secant. Secant reciprocal is cos. So then tan A reciprocal is cot. Cot A reciprocal is tan. Like this we have to understand. So these are also formula for you. So say everybody, sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Just a trick used means enough, children. Is it okay? No need of by hearting. These three things you have to by heart. Remaining things you can write yourself. Got it? So then cosecant means just a reciprocal of sine. Okay, hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Then secant reciprocal is cos. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot A reciprocal is tan. Adjacent by opposite. By hearting is difficult, but these three things are try to learn properly. That is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine opposite by hypotenuse. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan opposite by adjacent. So everybody, okay, if can't understand, write and learn, children. So these are the trigonometric ratio with respect to angle A. Angle A. Is it okay? So you can write your own angle C, mark it and write who is opposite, who is adjacent, who is hypotenuse. Like this you can write all the ratios. Okay, children, you can write all the ratios. Now after learning this, three more formulas I will explain to children. Okay, so what is that? See here. Another, you can write sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is also called as tan A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. Sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. Even cos by sin. Cos A by sin A is called as cot A. Like this. These two are extra formulas you have to learn. Sin by cos is tan. Here you understood that. Sin A by cos A is tan A. BC by AB. See here. So sin by cos is tan. Your reciprocal of that. Cos by sin is cot. Cos by sin is cot. That I have written there. So everybody say that. Sin A by cos A, tan A. Cos A by sin A, cot A. Sin A by cos A, tan A. Cos A by sin A, cot A. So we have understood these ratios. Okay, children. So now after learning this all the ratios, let us do some problems. Okay, of exercise number 11.1. So you have to by heart all these formulas. Okay, children. Okay, sufficient questions are there, children, but this all questions we can do only by using the formulas. So formula should come tip of the tongue. Okay, so now first one, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. Right angled at B. Right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine Okay, first one, sine A and also cos A. Okay, so second question is saying that sine C and cos C. Okay, so now here figure is not given, you have to draw the figure. In triangle ABC, you have to draw the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay, right angle at BZ, right angle at B means, okay, so now this will become A, this will become C. Now, what is that C? AB is how much centimeter? 24 centimeter. Okay, BC is how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, so the children, so whenever they have given two sides, third side also we have to find out. Otherwise, ratio while finding it is very difficult. So three sides of a triangle must be there. Okay, so now AB you know, BC you know, AC how to find out, children? Yes, you are right. You use Pythagoras theorem. So three sides of a triangle, any two sides given, third side is not known, means we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So it's a right angle triangle, right? So we have to use Pythagoras theorem to find all the three sides. Two sides they have given, third side you have to find out. So you are right here in triangle by Pythagoras. What he says, right? What he says? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two squares. Okay, AC square, AC don't know, children. AB how much? 24 square, 24 whole square. BC is 7 square. So now, what is 24 square? 24 is 576 plus 7 sevens are 49, right? So then add it. 9 plus 6, 15. 7 plus 1, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. AC square is equal to 625. What is AC then, children? Square goes, square root comes. What is the square root of 625? Everybody must learn the square root. Okay, square root 625 is 25. 25 centimeters. So I got the third side as 25 centimeter. Okay, children. So all three sides what means? Now easily we can write the ratios. Okay, let us write it now, children. What ratio they told us to find? First question here, sine A and cos A means whom we have to mark first? A. Okay, with respect to A, sine A I have to find out means mark A. A front side is called as opposite, right there. Okay, you will not get confused. Okay, this is called as adjacent. This is called as hypotenuse. Okay, judgment will be very easy if I write all the three sides. Okay, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. First understand this, children. Then write the ratio. Okay, so let us write the ratio now. So sine A. First question we have to answer is sine A. Sine A means what is the formula? Sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, sine A. Opposite which one, children? 7. Hypotenuse how much? 25. So opposite is 7, hypotenuse is 25. Sine God. Now cos A, let us find cos A. Cos A means what, children? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is adjacent? 24 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 25. So what is the final answer? 24 by 25. This is 7 by 25. So like this 1 mark question comes. If you know all the sides of the right triangle, we can find the ratios very easily. Okay children, if any one side don't know, please use hyperbolus theorem to find the third side and then find the ratio. Okay, children, these many work you have to do. So now I did sin A and cos A. Now your work is to find sin C and cos C. That time please mark another triangle, draw, mark angle C. Okay, angle C front side is opposite and just say hypotenuse. So we are all doing this, children. Okay, right at your O. Okay, that's all about today's class. The next class, let us continue some more problems of trigonometry. Till then, take care. Thank you.